Are you looking to become a product manager, but you don't have the luxury of time to spend a lot of time in learning? And maybe you're busy and maybe you are thinking about learning the basics of product management. Hi everyone, my name is Manav. I'm the founder and CEO of Insight, and in this video I want to introduce you to a first of its kind program ever launched in India for budding product manager called the Certificate in Product Management Foundation. This program is for 3 months, and before I tell you why this program is unique and why you should choose this program, let me tell you who this program is for and if this program is the right fit for you. This program is for you if you're looking to test waters in product management, if you're looking to learn basics of product management, yet your goal is not still very cemented and you don't want to, possibly you're not ready for switching into product management, but you all want to understand, experience and learn the fundamentals of product management. If that is your goal, this program is for you. Now let me tell you why you should choose this program. The first reason you should choose this program is that it teaches you the foundation of product management. Product management is a vast area, and unless you do not learn the basics, you will not be able to develop the mindset and skill set that's required to succeed as a product manager. And in the Certificate in Product Management Foundation, we teach you the basics that are required for becoming a product manager. That is, number one, introduction to product management, in which you learn the basics of product management. Number two, you learn product strategy and road mapping, which is so important for a product manager. And number three is you learn product design thinking. How do you go about building products? That's the first reason that you should choose this program, that it teaches you the very fundamentals that are required for your success as a product manager. The second reason you should choose this program is it is designed, developed and taught by some of the best product managers in India. Whether you think about a product manager at Amazon or Adobe or PayPal, some of these companies where all of us want to work, because not only they pay well, but they are also have great product culture. So you will have in this program product managers from top product companies actually teaching you, which helps you build the mindset more than the skill set that's actually required for your success as a product manager. And the third and the best part about this program is, in case you want to go deeper into product management, you get the flexibility and the opportunity in this program to continue beyond the 3 months. So after the first 3 months, if you want to go to deeper level and learn UI UX for product manager, product engineering and product marketing and launch, and those advanced topics, you have the freedom to upgrade and flexibility to pursue deeper concepts into product management. I believe that this product management program is not only revolutionary, but it will impact and transform your career in ways that you would not have thought till now. I invite you to join this program, and I invite you to talk to your learning advisor and find out more about if this program is the right fit for you and what this program can do for you. Take care.